Hello traders everywhere, Adam Hewison here with your midday market report for Tuesday the 9th of July. We have some clear-cut trends that are emerging. We also have a Nasdaq signal that was flashed yesterday, signaling the trend is up now clearly in Nasdaq. Also, crude oil takes a breather, and we'll also be looking at Fedex. So let's get started. We'll go right to our portfolio and take a look at what's going on here. So here's the Dow. The Dow is actually up today, not a lot, but still in a positive mode. And I think this has sort of surprised a lot of people, but you can see we've got the moving averages. It's above all the moving averages right now, and I think that's a positive sign. But our trade triangles still haven't kicked in. Unlike the Nasdaq, the weekly trade triangles are still stubbornly in the red. We need to see that confirmed as a green. That would mean all systems go. You want to be long this market. The longer term trend continues to be positive with our long-term trade triangles on the monthly. So let's go to the S&P. Pretty much the same picture there. This is potentially going to be some sort of resistance that we could see in this market, and I think that's going to be the important element to look at. And the resistance we're talking about is right around this area here. You can see that's kind of like a real problem for the market right now. We need to close over this area. If we do that, then I think we're off to new highs for this index. So let's see how things played out. We've gone through the fear of the tapering, the QE infinity tapering coming out to an end, but that hasn't happened. So let's see how we play out in this market. So let me clear the screen and go to our next market. This is the one we want to talk about, the Nasdaq. Clearly it's in an uptrend. You've got a lot, you're building a base here. All of our trade triangles are positive. You can see that the trade triangles are all green, as I said, and also you're building that sort of base to push this market higher in our opinion. Now, not everything goes according to plan, of course, in trading, but you are really, if we see a nice close over this 3,500 level, I think we're going to be a really nice way to look at it. The highest close we've seen in this market is right here, and I'll give you that number in just a second. So let's just clear that screen and go up here. And the highest number we saw there was a close of just 3,501. So if we see a close over 3,500, we're very close to that level now, just a couple more points, and that will be a very bullish sign for this index, Nasdaq. Here we are in gold. Gold continues to erode, and you can see it's just not acting well below all of the, but if you're a short-term trader, you should probably be out of this market right now. But longer term, you can see, is this going to be a replay of what we've seen before in gold? And what I mean replay, is it going to be very similar to this period here, this period here? Is it going to be another similar period like this, and we just sort of go step down and sideways for a while, and boom down, sideways for a while, boom down, sideways. So we'll see how that plays out. But generally speaking, the trend is your friend. The trend clearly is on the downside. So let's just go to our next market. That's going to be the Eurodollar. Big down day today. This is a big thing to look at. And you can see we've just cracked through the 2,800 level, which we thought was going to be support. Did not play out to be that way. And that's the important thing, to remember what the trends are, because they tend to persist. Now, if you look at this market now, we've just got some period back here in April, where the April-March period, where it really got low. So let's just scope in a little bit and see where that lows were. 2750 area, and we're currently 2774. So we're just about low in this. We close below this level. If you can put a close-only chart on right here, if we close below these levels here, it's not going to look very good, and the next level of support is going to be way back here, and that's in November 12th, going back, and that was 126.73. So I think the trend is clearly down. The dollar is doing very well today, and that's a good thing. So crude oil pushes up. We've had a couple of days here when it's just sort of stabilized. Don't get discouraged. This market's, in my opinion, is only got a 110, has all the air marks. We did a special in-depth analysis yesterday, but you can see this big pattern we've outlined on numerous occasions, which is right here. This is a really strong pattern we're seeing here in crude oil, capable of going to 110. So we're looking for this $110 a barrel, and I think we'll see it. I don't think things are going to calm down anytime soon in the Middle East. Also, the technical trend of this market is very strong. So all of our trade triangles, you can see them right here, are all positive. Plus 90, strong trend. We're going higher. So let's clear the screen and go to our next market. And the next market we're looking at is going to be Fedex. Now, Fedex had a big positive day today. You can see it right here, up a ton. We're actually up 6.36% for the day. Kicked off on our weekly and monthly all at once. We are definitely looking for this market to go over $108, $110. But if we scope this out to max, you can get an idea where this market has been. If we clear the 110 level, then we're going to be looking at the 120 level. And I don't know about you, but we're doing a special report on Amazon. It will be released tomorrow. Amazon is shipping a ton of product through Fedex. Online shipping. I was talking to the shipper yesterday, came to our house. Basically, they're shipping a lot of material through UPS and FedEx. So I'm expecting both of those stocks to do well, particularly FedEx. As I say, we had a signal today, 103.47, a little over 105 now. We're looking for this market to go higher. Hey, I'm Adam Hewison. I'll be traveling tomorrow, so there'll be no daily update like today, but we'll have a special report for you. So thanks for stopping by. Every success in using MarketClub and winning in the markets. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful.